Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add gradient color to text in Canva. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design or opening an existing one. Keep in mind that Canva doesn't allow you to add a gradient directly to text, but you can do it using the Type Gradient app. To get started, go to the Apps tab in the left-hand menu and use the search bar to find Type Gradient. Once you find it, select it and click the Open button. When the app opens, you'll see the Type Gradient panel on the left side of your screen. Now, follow these steps. Adjust the gradient position. Type the text you want to add. Select a font style. Adjust alignment and line height. Choose gradient colors you like. Once you're done, click the Add to Design button, and your gradient text will be added to Canva. Now, adjust it as needed. And that's it. You've successfully added gradient color to your text in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.